good, gang? Starting out the vlog a little different today. Your boy just made it out to New York City in the Slam BMW. It's like one of the first times I've ever taken any of my Slam cars out to the city. Come on, guys. Y'all see we got the green light. Why y'all trying to go? Huh? What's good, gang? So it's the next day. About to do a little something different today. I know these are not the wheels I'm gonna be going with, but it's a good start to see how I could do my fitment for the BMW. So I know that these ESRs, if you guys remember, I did a video on it. My little brother tore these shits up. So we're gonna try and see if we could get a good wheel fitment out of these. I believe they're 18 by 8.5, but I kind of want to run 18 by 9. And on an all-wheel drive car, you're supposed to run a square setup. I've seen people do staggered setups, but the ideal thing for you to do is run a square setup. Okay, so I had to switch cameras because the other camera was dying. But we're about to set everything up real quick. This is my first time getting to use the gun. Alright, let's try the ESR wheels real quick. I still want to see what's the spec on these. Yeah, 8.5. So I'm only going to use 2 bolts real quick. I don't know. They look okay, but I definitely think I could run a 9. But the 8.5 does look good. Definitely looks good. But I think I could run a 9. Mind you, the wheel is flat because of the barrel being broken. But I don't know. I could run like a little bit of a lower profile tire. Like maybe a 40. I'm not sure exactly what profile's on here right now, but okay, so it's a 245. If I was to do it, I think I would do 225. Do 225 40 or 225 45. But it looks okay. I think I could run 18s. I seen someone in the comment section saying that if you run 18s, it's a better ride. If you run 19s, it's not as great. So we'll see. But I am about to raise the rear of the car. Well, I'm going to attempt it because right now the car doesn't ride. It doesn't have a good even height to me. I feel like the front is really like sitting up way higher, and the rear of the car is tucking like crazy. So we're about to adjust that right now. See, this right here is like one of the main reasons why I went bags. Because doing this is gonna be the death to me, boy. Just needs to get raised up a bit. Alright, so I just took it off one more time to adjust it again. I swear, that's like one of the main reasons why I went bagged on the S2K, bro. Doing this is annoying as hell. When you could just hit a button and be straightforward, good to go. But we about to get it done, don't worry. About to test fit the wheels one more time to make sure it actually works. Okay, I did my final adjustment. I did 1.5 inches higher. Trying to brighten this up for y'all, but it ain't getting no brighter. But I did 1.5 inches. Alright, so should be good money. Alright, so basically all we would have to do now is just do it to the other side, and we good. I already did the measurements. This side is good money. Everything's locked up, ready to go. Just bolt this bitch back up. I missed my bags. S2K, I need you. This ain't working. This ain't it, cuz. This ain't it. Alright guys, so I raised the rear a lot better, looks way more even now. So we good money on this side. BMW looks really good. Now I just can't wait to put my wheels on. Just gave the BMW a nice little wash. It's over there parked on the side. The S2K. I know you guys miss her. Don't worry, we're gonna get back on it soon. But for right now, just trying to get some BMW content in. And bro, she looking good. Evened out now. The rear is matching the fronts. So now it just looks like a nice level. I washed the car yesterday, as you guys know, and it's already starting to rain. But I'm about to head out to knee powder coating because I want to get the front spacer for the S2000 bored out, so that way the front fitment will be better. Bro, it's a whole flood out here, dog. Oh, come on.
You better hit this reverse.
Hell yeah, I'm about to hit the reverse. I'm not about to get stuck out there. You crazy? What's good, y'all? So your boy's officially home. No, I'm not wearing the same shirt. This is a Nike shirt. But I just got home. I actually put on the new spacers on the S2000, but I'm gonna show that to you guys tomorrow. Right now it's like raining like crazy outside. I just didn't feel like being outside vlogging, and yeah, so it made the car look a lot better. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Should I go back to air suspension, or do you guys like the coilover look on the BMW? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace.